Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing heartfelt compliments that will make her feel truly special and loved. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it. So, let's dive in. 1. The power of personality. Compliments are like little love notes, and the best ones start with her personality. Tell her what you truly admire about who she is. Maybe she's got an infectious laugh that brightens even the dreariest day, or perhaps she makes everyone in the room feel comfortable and welcome. If she's strong and independent, let her know she inspires you. These compliments show her you see and appreciate her for who she truly is. Don't be afraid to get specific. Trust me, those are the compliments she'll treasure. 2. That smile, though. Let's talk about smiles. They are universal, a language that everyone understands. A smile can break barriers, mend hearts, and create connections that words sometimes fail to express. It's a simple gesture, yet it holds immense power. Her smile, that's like a superpower. It has the ability to light up a room, to make people feel at ease, and to spread happiness effortlessly. When she smiles, it's as if the world pauses for a moment to bask in her glow. Tell her, "Your smile is like a ray of sunshine. It brightens my day every time." These words can mean the world to her, making her feel appreciated and cherished. Compliments about her smile are not just about her appearance, but about the warmth and positivity she brings into your life. Or, when you smile, it's like the whole world stops for a second. This simple acknowledgement can make her feel special and valued. It's a reminder that her smile has a profound impact on those around her. It's not just about her lips curving upwards, it's about the joy and love she radiates. Her smile is a reflection of her inner beauty, her kindness, and her ability to spread joy. It's a powerful expression of her true self. What is it about her smile that makes your heart skip a beat? Let her know. Expressing your feelings about her smile can deepen your connection and make her feel truly seen and appreciated. A genuine compliment about her smile will go a long way. It can boost her confidence, brighten her day, and strengthen your bond. Compliments are a way of showing that you notice and value the little things that make her unique. And who knows, maybe it'll make her smile even brighter. A smile is contagious, and your appreciation for her smile can create a ripple effect of positivity and joy. So don't hold back. Let her know how much her smile means to you. 3. Brains and beauty. Celebrate her intelligence. And let's talk about brains. Her incredible, awe-inspiring brain. Compliment her quick wit, sharp mind, and unique way of seeing the world. Maybe she's a walking encyclopedia or a problem-solving genius. Tell her, "I could listen to you talk about history all day. You make it so interesting." Or, "I'm constantly amazed by your problem-solving skills." Let her know you value her intelligence, because a woman who owns her intelligence is a force to be reckoned with. 4. Laughter is the best medicine. Her humor is the cure. Laughter is the best medicine, and her sense of humor is a magical elixir. Be specific about what cracks you up. Does she have a knack for witty one-liners? Tell her, or maybe she's a master of physical comedy. Let her know you love how she finds humor in anything. If she has a dry, sarcastic wit, sing her praises. Let her know you appreciate her humor and cherish her ability to make you laugh, because a woman who can laugh and make others laugh is a treasure. 5. Kindness is contagious. Celebrate her golden heart. In a sometimes harsh world, her kindness is like a warm blanket on a chilly night. She's a walking, talking kindness machine. Compliment her genuine compassion and the impact she has on everyone around her. Maybe she volunteers her time or always helps those in need. Tell her, your compassion for others is truly inspiring. Or, it's the little things you do that make you so special. Let her know her kindness matters and makes a difference. Because a kind heart is a beautiful thing and deserves to be celebrated. 6. Stronger than she knows. Admire her resilience. Life isn't always easy, but she faces challenges head-on with inspiring strength. She's like a phoenix rising from the ashes. Compliment her resilience and the battles she's fought and won. Tell her, "I'm so proud of you for overcoming everything life has thrown your way," or "Your strength never ceases to amaze me." Recognize her journey and celebrate her victories. Let her know you're in awe of her strength, because a woman who knows her own power is a force to be reckoned with. 7. A creative queen. Praise her unique talents. Let's talk about creativity. Her ability to create something beautiful and unique. Compliment her creative endeavors, whether she's a painter, writer, or musician. Tell her, "Your use of color is incredible. I can feel the emotions in your paintings." Or, "I love the way you write. It's like I'm right there in the story." If she's a musical prodigy, let her know her music touches your soul. Appreciate the effort she puts into her craft, because a woman who embraces her creativity is a force of nature. 8. Her support means everything. Express your gratitude. Life can be a wild ride, but she's your rock, your biggest cheerleader. Her support is unwavering and her encouragement fuels you. Tell her, "I couldn't have gotten through that tough time without you." Or, "I'm so grateful for your encouragement. It gives me the strength to keep going." Express your gratitude sincerely and show her how much you care. Small gestures can speak volumes. Let her know you're incredibly lucky to have her in your corner, because a woman who supports your dreams is a true gem. 9. Beautiful inside and out. Compliment her whole being. Let's talk about beauty, the kind that radiates from within. It's not just about the surface, but the depth of character and the warmth of the soul. When you see someone who radiates this kind of beauty, it's impossible not to be drawn to them. Their presence alone can light up a room and bring joy to those around them. Sure, she's got a killer smile and gorgeous eyes, but it's her inner light that truly shines. Her laughter is infectious, and her joy is palpable. It's the way she carries herself with grace and confidence, making everyone around her feel at ease. Her beauty is a reflection of her inner self, and that's what makes her truly special. Compliment her inner beauty first. Acknowledge her kindness, her empathy, and her strength. These are the qualities that define her and make her stand out. Tell her how much you admire her for the way she treats others, for her generosity, and for her unwavering support. These are the things that make her beautiful from the inside out. Tell her, "You have this amazing energy. You light up every room." Let her know that her presence is felt and appreciated. Her confidence and charisma are what draw people to her, and it's important to recognize that. Compliment her on her ability to make others feel comfortable and valued. Or, "I'm constantly amazed by your kindness and compassion." These words can mean the world to her, as they acknowledge the effort she puts into being a good person. Her empathy and understanding are what make her a true friend and a wonderful human being. Let her know that you see and appreciate these qualities. Then, weave in compliments about her physical appearance. It's important to balance the recognition of her inner beauty with appreciation for her outer beauty. Tell her how stunning she looks, how her smile brightens your day, and how her unique style sets her apart. These compliments should be genuine and specific. Be specific and focus on unique features. Maybe it's the sparkle in her eyes, the way her hair frames her face, or her impeccable fashion sense. These details show that you pay attention and truly see her. Complimenting these unique aspects can boost her confidence and make her feel truly seen and appreciated. Maybe her eyes are captivating or her laugh is infectious. These are the little things that make her who she is. Let her know that you notice and love these aspects of her. It's these small, unique traits that contribute to her overall beauty and make her unforgettable. Let her know you see her beauty, both inside and out. It's the combination of her inner and outer qualities that make her truly remarkable. When you acknowledge both, you show her that you appreciate her as a whole person. This kind of recognition can be incredibly empowering and affirming. Appreciate her for the amazing, unique, and beautiful woman she is. Celebrate her strengths, her quirks, and her individuality. Let her know that she is valued and loved for exactly who she is. This kind of appreciation can make a profound impact on her self-esteem and overall happiness. 10. More than words. Express your love and gratitude. Sometimes words aren't enough to express the depth of our emotions. We often find ourselves searching for the right words, but they can fall short of conveying the true essence of our feelings. It's in these moments that actions speak louder than words. A gentle touch, a warm embrace, or a simple gesture can communicate what words cannot. Let your love pour out and tell her how much she means to you. Show her that she is cherished and valued beyond measure. It's not just about saying "I love you," but about demonstrating it through your actions. Surprise her with little acts of kindness, like leaving a sweet note or planning a special date. Tell her, "You're not just my girlfriend, you're my best friend, my confidant." Share your thoughts, dreams, and fears with her. Let her know that she is the person you trust the most, the one you turn to in times of joy and sorrow. Your bond is strengthened by the moments you share and the memories you create together. Or, "Before I met you, I never believed in soulmates. Now I can't imagine my life without you." Express how she has changed your life for the better, how she has brought light and love into your world. Let her know that she is your soulmate, the one who completes you and makes you whole. It's about the little things, the everyday moments that weave together your love story. The laughter you share, the quiet moments of togetherness, and the simple joys of daily life. These are the threads that create the beautiful tapestry of your relationship. Show her through your actions just how much she means to you. Be there for her in times of need, support her dreams, and celebrate her successes. Your love is a constant presence, a source of strength and comfort. Because a love like yours deserves to be celebrated every single day. Make every moment count and let her know that she is the most important person in your life. Your love story is unique and special, and it deserves to be cherished and honored. Tell her you love her and then show her. Let your actions speak volumes, and let your love shine through in everything you do. Because in the end, it's the love you share that truly matters. Thank you for watching. We hope these compliments help you make her feel as special and loved as she truly is. Remember, a genuine compliment can make someone's day, so spread the love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content.